And continuing through our showcase here at NAMM, we bring you into our PA series. Professional audio is a statement and concrete foundation for Yorkville sound. One of the products that we're introducing proudly this year is our Paraline series. Up here are the top cabinets. This is 2 of the PSA1. These are a peak 1200 watt program 700 watts self-powered units. You've got in here 4 mid-range 6-inch speakers, and in the middle there you're going to see quite an ingenious design. And if you're familiar with Tom Danley Designs, we've incorporated his technology into here for the high frequency. And on that Tom Danley design, it performs the airflow of the high frequency driver so that it all is time aligned and comes out at one peak point. Everything comes out of that driver, travels the same distance, and you're going to get that crisp, clean, long push, true sound. And this is something incorporated in the PSA1. It is a cabinet that you can put on a stand mount, have 2 units, so you're getting 110 and by 60 dispersion. They're on a 15 degree, so when you mount the 2 of them, you're getting a 30 degree coverage off of that dispersion. They are locked together with Jensen technology there, so therefore it's going to be nice and true and strong. You will notice there is feet. You can turn them over and stand them up, but on a pole mount, you're going to find this to be quite the best way to use it. You notice the angle on here. It's a 15 degree slope off of there because I've got the pole mount sitting on the first position. If you're on a riser, you need to point it down to your audience. But if you're down at ground level, this might not be the right angle, so you'd put it in the back position, which is a 90 degree. So you're going to have it sitting flatter. You'll notice on the back as well, very little venting. It's because of the technology we've used in the power amplifier. The cooling is not a factor. It will not overheat. So the environment you put in, whether it's high humidity, high temperature, cold, brisk, a dirty environment, it's not going to get in there and cause any engineering issues with the reliability of this product. Processing is also inside. No need for a processor. It's a very simple plug and play factor. If you're using a subwoofer, have the low frequency roll off. If you have 2 units, you may want to have a little boost on the high frequency because you've got now 8 of those mid-range drivers in there. This is PSA1, very, very strong product, built in Canada. But perhaps mounting on a stand, moving place to place is not what you're after. You want something a little bit more permanent. Perhaps more of a permanent installation is what your customer's looking for. So we have here the PSA1s, 4 of them, the exact same cabinet that we had on the stand adapter. No modifications whatsoever. So stocking is not an issue. All we need to add in is the flying hardware. It's just a simple bracket on the left side and right side, hung off of a bumper. The bumper, simply change the shackle position, your center of gravity changes, that will alter your angle. Very simple plug and play for the fact that there is no angle options on this. It is not line array, but you're going to feel like you're having that line array experience.